Telangana, it's interesting. It's flipped now. Congress is 8, BJP has 7, BRS has 1, and MIM has 1. So it's again changing. A lot of changing that's happening in many of these
Jammu
states.
Kashmir, interesting. Mehbooba Mufti is trailing Mia Altaf. Mehbooba Mufti trailing Mia Altaf.
And Omar Abdullah is trailing Engineer Rashid.
Yeah, Omar Abdullah trailing Engineer Rashid.
Mehbooba didn't even come for that India Alliance meeting if you remember. Nor did Omar. Farooq came, but Omar Abdullah did not come
both
for
Omar
that.
and Mehbooba are trailing.
Yeah. But Omar will, I think, anyway come
Yeah,
up.
National Conference is strong, but the challenge there was not from the PDP, it was from somebody who's in jail, Engineer Rashid, Sheikh Rashid. So, very interesting this one. Yeah.
If you are looking at the regional parties around the country, looking at the larger message, this may be the end of the Naveen Patnaik era in Odisha. With others, MK Stalin has been reaffirmed, Thackeray has been reaffirmed, Mamata Banerjee has been reaffirmed. Akhilesh is the big story.
Akhilesh is the big story. Akhilesh Yadav, big story. Mamata Banerjee, somewhere one
the early assessment of the exit polls that the regional parties are going to take a hit does not seem to be borne out by the actual results.
Yeah, in fact, the regional parties have worked hard and they've also propped up the Congress nationally.
In Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, the two Yadavs have been able to.
It also confirms what I felt as a journalist on this thing. There was a lot of questioning by the Indian voter that was happening the other way around, saying, who are you, where have you come from, are you doing a survey, what channel do you work in? You know, those kind of questions were also asked. A lot of people just kept their own counsel. Every time I spoke to politicians, they said, voter silent hai. So I think this is...
Just a quick check of the leads.
Mahua Moitra is trailing when the TMC's got 31.
31.
I guess that also is a story in itself.
Yes. Odisha, just quickly doing the state-wide thing. We'll get back into Bengal. Odisha, BJP 61, BJD 44, Congress 10, 120 out of 147 leads. So the BJP clearly in pole position right now, still short of the majority number in terms of leads. But there, Chandrababu Naidu and the BJP, the NDA's steamrolling YSRCP. So far, it's one-sided election, 133, 17 out of 150 leads. So they... Well, Akanksha has an update from Punjab. Going to her. Yes, Akanksha.
All right. So, Anand, it's basically between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress so far. BJP has 0 leads in Punjab, and that's massively disappointing news for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Could you share the breakup? In fact, if I could request my camera person to show all those leads. From Sangrur, you have Gurmeet Singh Nair and of the Aam Aadmi Party.
I think we lost her.
Let's also look at the other...
You got to hold the mic closer, please.
All right, if you can see, there is Dharamveer Gandhi who is leading in Patiala, and in fact, Praneet Kaur of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Captain Amrinder Singh's wife, she is trailing as far as BJP is concerned. Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa from Congress again in another lead. Ludhiana, you can see Amrinder Singh Rajawaring of the Congress is leading. Aam Aadmi Party again leading as far as Anandpur Sahib, Hoshiarpur is concerned. Aam Aadmi Party is leading. Shiromani Akali Dal over there is leading in Firozpur. So clearly, Anand, you have that breakup for you. BJP is missing as far as the numbers right now.